If you would have told me that I would become a group fitness instructor, I would have said, no, I'm not signing up for that. My name is Brandy Gaynor. So I was living in India, really just kind of neglected my health. And I just began praying, well, how do I do this? I then was introduced to Revelation Wellness. I was like, other people need this, and I want to share it with others. Living here in Red Hill, my hope was that someone else would rise up.
I said yes and decided to take this crazy leap.
It wasn't until I attended Brandy's classes, she turned to me one day and said, you know, you could do this too. So I started going, okay, God, why does she keep saying this?
I'm actually seeing the hope happen right now.
I love partnering with RevWell to take the gospel to the mission.